Today, we're taking you through a full oil to gas boiler conversion, all in just one day. First things first, our team protects your home by laying down floor coverings before any work begins. We start by safely draining the oil tank and removing the old oil boiler. Out with the old and in with the new. Next, we drain down the heating system to prepare for the new installation. Then it's time to remove the oil tank. Inside, we remove the old hot water cylinder from the hot press and remove tanks from the loft. Now we locate and link up existing pipework with the new gas heating system. A jig is fitted on the wall. This holds the new boiler securely in place. The new high-efficiency gas boiler is mounted and connected to the pipework. Next, we connect the gas meter to the property. Old controls are removed to make way for new, modern heating controls. Once everything's installed, we balance the system. The team cleans up and removes all protective coverings. Finally, we walk you through how your new gas heating system works, so you're ready to go. And don't worry, your old oil tank will be picked up within 10 working days. Efficient, tidy, and done in a day, that's the difference with Refresh NI.